Welcome to the CNC plasma tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a sign similar to the one that you see here, where the design is cut out of. This tutorial video is going to be broken up into 5 key parts. The first part, we're going to discuss good versus bad text and images for the plasma cutter. We'll talk about what will and what won't survive the cut. Next, I'll talk about setting up your sign blank. We'll talk about the working size, the scale, and we'll start visualizing what the metal will look like and what stays with our sign. Third, we'll talk about some design elements. More specifically, we're going to talk about text and images. So here, we're going to create some of these design elements. We'll talk about outlining, offsetting, and some tracing techniques that will help you get your text and your images in place. Fourth, we're going to talk about creating a cutter. We're going to be grouping some shapes and using the Pathfinder tools, and this is where your sign will really come to life. And lastly, I'll quickly show you how to export your CNC plasma file in a DXF format. So you can take it to the plasma cutter to print, or to cut, sorry.